Hey, this is how you do a staple gun. And then do a staple gun.
Hey there. When did you try to switch staple gun? Oh, alright, yeah. So what people normally don't know about this trick is that a staple gun has to go fully on the deck. So you take it all the way over here and then fucking shove it back in. Like that. But you gotta jump on it, don't fucking do that. Hey, can you get that board for me? Alright, that kid's awesome. Sweet. Thank you. Alright, so I'll show you what people normally do that think it's a staple gun, but it's not. This is not a staple gun. So for this trick, all you really need to learn is where to put your foot on the ramp or place it. So as you come up, you plant it, and so you could push your board all the way on the deck.
You just kind of do it. Just like any other trick, you just do it till you get them, you know.
Basically, that's all you do for staple guns, and then you grow the balls to just bring it back in. But you can teach your friend, you know, like, hey, do a fucking staple gun.
How do you do it?
Just do it. Yeah, those are staple guns. You just put your foot on the ramp, make sure your board's all the way over the coping on the deck, and then you can try variations. Like, well, he tried one, but he fucked up. Here, let's see one. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. You know, I hope you guys go out and learn that trick. It's pretty fun, pretty easy. This kid could do them.
No, I can't.
Yeah, you can. He could do them. He's lying. I seen him do it. But yeah, just go out there and have fun. Learn staple guns.